There's a specific cafe in Sydney, Australia that has the absolute most Instagrammable menu options. Speedos Cafe has been honored with the title of Most Instagrammable by Big 7 Travel. You can find this lovely cafe, which beat out many high-end eateries around the world, right on gorgeous Bondi Beach. Once you enter this colorful cafe, you'll understand why they've been given this award. With a wide variety of menu options that range from egg breakfasts to smoothie bowls, there's something for everyone to enjoy. From their French toast to their lattes that are full of personality, Speedos is a can't-miss experience if you're ever visiting Down Under. Even Hugh Jackman has made an appearance at the cafe. Make sure this place is on your go-to list if you're planning on traveling to Sydney.